In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Zoho People with Zoho Projects. This connection is useful when you want your team members and project-related information to stay consistent across both apps. Once it is enabled, you can reduce duplicate setup work and keep your organization aligned, especially as people join, leave, or move between projects. To begin, open Zoho People and look toward the top right corner of the screen. Find the settings icon that looks like a small gear and click it. This is where Zoho People keeps the admin options for extensions and connected services, so it is the right place to start anytime you want to integrate another Zoho application. Inside Settings, scroll until you find the Extensions section. Under Extensions, select Zoho Directory. In some accounts, this area may be labeled Integrations instead. Either option takes you to the place where Zoho People manages connections to other Zoho services. Once you are in Zoho Directory or Integrations, look at the left sidebar. Click Zoho. This narrows the view to Zoho applications that can be linked to Zoho People, and it helps you avoid searching through unrelated options. Now in the list of Zoho apps, locate Zoho Projects. When you see it, click the option that says Configure or Connect. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your setup, but both options are used to begin the same linking process. At this point, you should see a control to turn the connection on. Click Enable to sync users and project data. Enabling sync is the key action here because it allows Zoho People to communicate with Zoho Projects and keep information aligned between the two systems. After you enable it, give the platform a moment to apply the change. If you manage multiple Zoho apps, make sure you are connecting the correct organization and confirm you have the necessary admin permissions. If the Enable option is not available, it usually means your account role needs additional access. Once enabled, your Zoho People and Zoho Projects connection is in place, and syncing can begin according to your organization settings. And that is all there is to it.